Hello children. In this video lecture, I'll explain you comprehension of unseen passage, how to solve it. Let's understand what is the meaning of comprehension passage. The word comprehension means the ability to understand what you listen or what you read. It is an exercise which aims to improving one's ability to understand a language. Try to remember every English class. Every day you were taught new lessons. The stories, the poem, the questions and answers were unseen to you before you read them. Similarly, in a comprehension test, you are given passages or paragraphs. These paragraphs show the idea or mood concerning issues, their solutions that the author provides. Your main task is to answer the questions asked from the passage. Comprehension does stand for extensive and understanding of a given passage by the students. It is a test of students' power of understanding and grasping English and their ability to express themselves in their own words or sentences in correct English through the answers to the questions out of the given passage, which are to be attempted within the ideas contained in the same passage. Now, what is the purpose of this kind of questions? What is the purpose to give you this kind of passages always? Let's understand it. A major goal of reading comprehension instruction, therefore, is to help students to develop the knowledge, skills, and experiences they must have if they are to become competent and enthusiastic readers. Reading instructions is based on a concept of reading as the application of a set of isolated skills such as identifying words, finding main ideas, identifying cause and effect relationships, comparing and contrasting and sequencing. Comprehension was viewed as the mastery of these skills. Comprehension of unseen passage trains the students to develop a thorough understanding and self-expression. It includes variety of exercises such as fill in the blanks, short answer type questions, completing sentences, vocabulary testing exercises, etc. Now, what you require? Which skills you require? Let's see. Prerequisite skills. To develop a better level of comprehension, one requires certain skills. Logical ability, the ability of infer, reasoning ability, ability to understand the main motive or the idea of the author, reading speed, vocabulary power, remembering some important information from the paragraph. Otherwise, we need to refer the paragraph again and again, which will consume more time. Here through this diagram I have shown you what you require in short. Now here are the quick tips should be followed to solve comprehension passages or unseen passages. Children, first of all, go through the passage fairly quickly to get some general idea. It is called skimming. After reading the passage, read the questions and understand their meaning. Then, read once again the passage very carefully and find out the relevant portions of the passage where you can get the answers of the question. It is called scanning, and it is better if you mark it with pencil that passages in your paper. Now start writing the answers in your own words. Answers should be clear and to the point. Use the same tense in answering the questions in which they are asked. Use complete and simple sentences. To explain the meaning of any words or phrases, you can use your own words. Restrict your answers to information given in the passages, even if the passages have current significance. Please do not add where it is not required. Your points, do not express so many things in your own words. Always give required answers. Here is special note for you. The answers to the questions will be generally in order right from the beginning to the end. So you have to read the passage very carefully. Your questions always in a sequence. So you have to find answers always in a sequence as per the question. Generally, it is very easy to find out the answer to these questions if you follow this thing. For your example, for your reference, here I have given you example of a unseen passage with solved question answer of it. Read it thoroughly, children, and understand it how I have written this. And for your more practice of these unseen passages, I have given you one set of exercises. 5 passages are in this exercise. Solve it, read it very carefully, each and every passage, and you need to solve questions given after each and every passage. Do it in your fair notebook and follow the rules which I showed you, all the quick tips to solve your passage in a very short time. Children, few things you need to take care also. Here now I will inform you don'ts of unseen passages. Means you are not allowed to do that things. First is, do not overemphasize on unimportant details which are not important. Do not waste your time after it. Second, do not memorize every word in the passage. Don't try to mug it up, each and everything which is given in the passage, and then do not write the answer. Third, do not read the passage first. It is for your quick solution. What you need to do, always go through the question first, and when you read the passage, so automatically you will get your answers. Fourth, do not overemphasize on vocabulary skills for reading comprehension. Do not get stuck on a particular word which you do not know, right? Try to find your answers with the help of the other words given in the passage. Fifth, do not think the correct option would come from outside the passage. Means whatever the details are given in the passage, your question is only from that details, only from that paragraph. So try to find answers from it only. And the last but not the least, do not rely on trigger words like but or however. Right? These words will divert you from the real meaning of the words or the sentences. Do take care of these things, children, and solve this exercise. Thank you.